Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Liaquat. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome to my channel Roots of Knowledge. Hope you guys have a wonderful time checking out my videos. If you enjoyed them, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Right, so we are doing the Muta'lliqat. So this series is basically about helping people fix up their understanding of Arabic grammar. Right, so I'll do some examples here so that people can understand how it works. So here's an example. So فهمنا الدرس على السبورة. فهمنا الدرس على السبورة. So فهمنا means we understood. So it's the فعل plus the فاعل. الدرس is the مفعول به. And ala sabura, this is the jar and majroor, right? The question now is where does this ala go back to? So we understood the lesson ala sabura. So does it go back to fahimna? Yeah, fahimna ala sabura ad-dars. Yeah, so if you take this, so what this basically means is, let's say for example, like the teacher is teaching and the students are all sitting there. Okay, a bit of artwork there. So he's saying, فهمنا الدرس. They're saying, we understood the lesson on the board. So that would mean they would actually have to be on the board. Yeah, sitting on the board. Is that what it means? No, that doesn't seem correct. So they understood the lesson on the board. Right, so that's not what it's saying. So the other meaning is فهمنا الدرس على السبب. Now we can't make ala muta'alliq to dars directly. So we've got to make it muta'alliq to athabit, then to dars. Right? So now فهمنا الدرس الثابت على السبورة. So now basically what it means is these guys are saying we understood the lesson which was on the board. So the lesson that was written on the board, we understood that. Yeah, so فهمنا الدرس على السبورة. We understood the lesson على السبورة. And these are two meanings that I've taken out. There are some other sort of meanings that you can play around with as well. Main thing to remember in these kind of examples is trying to ascertain or trying to pinpoint exactly where the word is actually connected to. And like I said, if a person understands this, they can then start to understand verses in the Quran. So I don't really want to dive too much into verses of the Quran. I want to kind of leave it a bit easy in the beginning, and then when we go into the Quran, it's going to make a lot of sense, because then over there we can see the different meanings of the verse as well. So Jazakumullah khair. Thank you very much all my patrons who are supporting my channel. I really appreciate all of your donations and support. If any of you guys want to become supporters of this channel and you want to help my channel, then you can support by checking out the description below through PayPal or through Patreon. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you guys next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullah khair for watching this video. I hope to see all of you guys. If you guys are interested, please leave us feedback, get in contact with us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.